Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for May 29, 2024, featuring Mars, Saturn, and Moon before sunrise. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:19 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:17 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. Before sunrise, Mars, Saturn, and the gibbous moon are lined up in the eastern sky. They are nearly equally spaced along the plane of the solar system, known as the ecliptic. An hour before daybreak, the moon, 65% illuminated, is in the south-southeast. It is approaching Saturn. This morning, the ringed wonder is nearly 25 degrees up in the southeast and almost 30 degrees east, to the left, of the moon. This yellow-orange planet is brighter than most stars in the sky this morning, but it is not exceptionally bright like Venus or Jupiter. In 2 mornings, the moon appears close to Saturn in North America. It occults or eclipses the planet for sky watchers in southern South America. Mars is over 10 degrees above the eastern horizon and over 30 degrees to Saturn's lower left. The red planet marches eastward against the starry background, continuing to open a gap with Saturn. It rises earlier each morning, now over 2 hours before daybreak. 3 planets, Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter, are not easily visible. Mercury is retreating into sunlight to pass behind the Sun on June 14, 10 days after Venus solar conjunction. Jupiter rises earlier each morning, emerging from sunlight into the eastern morning sky in about a month. In the evening sky. Without a bright solar system body visible during evening hours, several bright stars shine from spring's evening sky. An hour after sundown, Spica, Virgo's brightest star, is less than halfway up in the south. The star is near the ecliptic. The moon passes by each month and the planets are nearby on the regular cycles. For example, a Mars-Spica conjunction occurs September 12, 2025, although it is veiled by bright evening twilight. Slow-moving Saturn does not pass until January 12, 2041. Corvus the Crow is to Spica's lower right. It is made by a lopsided box. Its stars are about the brightness of those in the Big Dipper. This pattern is visible in the southern sky until late summer when it disappears into evening twilight. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.